Indian giant squirrel. Indian giant squirrel appearance and behavior. These giant squirrels are distinguishable by their striking, multicolored hues. The colors vary between individual squirrels. There is a common pattern of 2 to 3 shades, including white or cream, brown, black, red, maroon, and sometimes dark fuchsia. The deep shades are primarily seen along the body, while the lighter colors occur on the underside and the long, bushy tail. Indian giant squirrel scientific name. The scientific name for the Indian giant squirrel is Ratufia indica. It is alternatively called the Malabar giant squirrel and is also named Shekhar by locals in Maharashtra. They belong to the Sciuridae family and the Mammalia class. The 4 subspecies of Indian giant squirrel are Ratufia indica, Ratufia indica centralis, Ratufia indica maxima, and Ratufia indica dealbata. The meaning of the word Ratufia is a genus of rodent and refers particularly to Asian giant squirrels. The Latin word indica means of India, and the word squirrel comes from the Greek sciuros, which is to find a shade tail. They have strong claws to securely grasp branches. Males and females of this species have very similar appearances. There are a couple of contrasting characteristics to distinguish them from one another. Females are usually larger in size than their male counterparts by about 3 centimeters and have mammae for nursing their young. Indian giant squirrels use their tail as a counterweight to help them balance on tree branches, and their colors act as camouflage in their natural habitat. When threatened, they will also make themselves appear flat, blending in with tree bark and staying very still to evade predators. These giant squirrels are considerably larger than other tree squirrel species, such as the eastern gray squirrel and red squirrel. Both of these squirrels measure less than 12 inches long and are under 2 pounds. Red squirrels weigh about the same as a hamster, while eastern gray squirrels are 3 times that weight. Indian giant squirrel habitat. Malabar giant squirrels are endemic to South Asia. In the wild, they can be found specifically in India. Their habitat ranges through many states, including Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, Maharashtra, Kerala, and Tamil Nadu. They prefer to live in tropical rainforest environments and are widespread within the Malabar rainforests. These squirrels spend most of their lives in trees. They are sometimes able to hide from predators on high limbs and in hollows of trees. Indian giant squirrel predators and threats. Humans are one of the biggest threats to these amazing creatures. Deforestation, logging, development, and the building of dams all lead to habitat loss and further fragmentation of populations. Some humans also hunt giant squirrels for their meat, which greatly contributes to a decline in the population. Indian giant squirrel reproduction, babies, and lifespan. The exact period of mating season for these squirrels is not completely clear. Some research suggests it only takes place between the months of October and January, while other sources state it may occur year-round. The male Indian giant squirrels, also called bucks, compete with other males to mate with a female. This is a shared mating habit among many animal species. Researchers do not believe these squirrels mate for life, although they have been known to stick together for a while. Once a pair mates, gestation lasts between 28 and 35 days. The female squirrel, also known as a doe, gives live birth to 1 to 3 young on average. The babies of this species are referred to as pups, kits, or kittens. When they are born, the pups do not have fur and are not yet able to see. They are nourished in nests built from leaves and twigs by the mother squirrel. The nests rest on branches in the treetops. The young are weaned at about 6 months old. These squirrels have a lifespan of up to 20 years in captivity. In the wild, it is believed to be significantly shorter due to natural predators in their environment and threats from humans.